What am I doing? Playing with a can. Alright, what is the video about? It's about me showing you what's in this can. Well, actually, I can't show you what's in the can, but I can show you the can. I picked up one of these. It is a red thing. Yeah, that's the bend here too. It's got a bendy bend in here. Should I try to bend it back? It is a Protectoseal can. Lots of great patina on it. The cap works. Should I stick a match down the inside of the can? Well, there's a screw-on thing in there too. What the hell? Why would it be a thread in here? I don't get it. I don't get it. Why would we thread it inside? Anybody know why? See, look. Let me show you. It's threaded inside there, which is weird. Well, it's not really weird. How old is this? I have no idea. Does it work? I haven't put any fluid in it, test it. And does it smell like oil? Yeah, it smells like... smells old. Why did I buy it? Because I was filling up my air compressor with oil, and you know how much of a pain in the ass is to grab an oil thing and try to put some in, so you just kind of like put it there and go, whee, lift it up and pull the handle and pour. Anything coming out? So anyway, that's how it works. That's how you put the stuff in. This is how you pull the handle here up, and it lifts this and lets it out. I looked online to see if there's any on eBay, and most of the newer ones are between like 40 and 100 bucks. And it doesn't have this little, all the ones I see on eBay don't have this little pour spout. It has some new modern one. So I suspect, and I seriously suspect that this is an older version, because this looks like a big chunk of metal that if I were going to make these any cheaper, I would find a cheaper way to make these. And I bet you somebody found a way just to make this part. So if you want to skimp on how to build something, you take this part out and you make everything cheaper and skinnier and floppier. But it appears to be working okay. And I guess this right here, if you look under here, I don't know if you can see right in there where my finger is, that's the air hole. I guess this little thing blocks the air hole. It's pretty neatly designed. Am I going to restore it? No. I'm going to probably oil. What is that noise? Is that rust in there? Let's get a flashlight and take a look. Well, let me check. Hold on. Hold your hornets. Well, that doesn't help. I had one of these things working. I had a flashlight. Apparently it's dead. I want to see inside it. Alright, let's see. No flashlights in here. No flashlight in there. Nothing illuminating in there. Where the hell did I put all the flashlights? And the one on the phone is the one I'm using to record with. So, oh wait, let's go with this. It's got light on it. She looks pretty darn clean in there. It looks a lot better than that stupid gas tank down there. It's full of rust. So anyway, in my haste in buying this, I know you've been here for a couple of minutes watching, and here's this one. See, I like this one so much. I found its little cousin right here. Yeah. Why did I buy two of them? Because I was bored. So anyway, this one is identical. The green identical twin. I like the green. It's a little dirty. It appears to have oil in it, because I see liquid in it. I can see my eye in there. And I'm guessing it works. Air hole. And I know they're not gas cans. Judging from, like, this is another If you want to read the label there. Like I said, I haven't seen the little teapot spout on them. They both work. They have a little wobbly thing. I'm guessing after a certain amount of time of this metal flexing here, something's going to rip out of here eventually. So you got like the amount of pressure in here is either this band's going to break or something's going to crack. I don't know if you can see it here, but I have my hand here. See the metal buckling in here? Oh, you can see it. Right. The whole noodle moves. Can't get this off. I had a pipe wrench. I take it apart. I thought it was cool. I bought the pair, and I'm like, you know what? If I just buy one, I'm gonna wish I had a pair of them. So my plan is to put lubricant oil for my compressor or some other kind of oil in here. Possibly the cutting fluid. This way, I could properly refill these things, which are a pain in the butt. Plus, I don't have to worry about keeping everything in a plastic bucket. I know where they are. So one can just be regular fluid and this one can be cutting fluid. I just don't like the fact that this one's, maybe I'm anal retentive, but I don't want to bang this one back sideways. I don't know, I'll probably bust the freaking thing. I'll find a way to. See, this one is straight. This one's got a little zing this way. But I thought they're pretty cool. And then if you go online, they have the little push thing pump. You want to oil some, the little hand oiler. I don't know. I think people use them for paint thinner or solvent. You put it's like a plunger. You put it on there if you want a solvent. Apparently they're really good. Except I read online, if you buy the newer ones, the solvent tends to you have to put a cover on or something because the solvent is obviously it's a solvent. It evaporates, so you kind of lose solvent. I probably won't put any flammable in here because, I mean, I don't know. It's all brass. Brass there. It's not like I'm going to flip the thing 1,000. This one is tin. It's galvanized. I think the galvanization is disappearing here. Little leather in there. Leather seal. You could feel the. I don't know if you can see that. See the leather seal? It's got leather now, which is cool. Now you want to talk about like making things that are better for the environment. Look, this is leather. Throw it in the field. It's, it just breaks down. This is metal. It can be recycled. The oil in it, well, you can burn that off and let the environment deal with that. But you don't have to worry about plastic that nobody can recycle. I like metal stuff. And it wears out. You crunch it up and make a new one. This one's got a little dent here too. It's got some use. There's a little bit of oil in there. So this is my lovely purchase. My little white hands that are being vaporized with the lights that are hotter than the sun in here. Just kidding. So yeah, I had a chance to go. I'll put the camera up. Yeah, look at that. I had a chance to hit one antique store, and there's one antique store in upstate. It's in Chateauguay, New York, and if anybody watches this video from that part of the area, it's Antique Annie's or Antique Annie. This thing fell off here. Sorry. And they got a lot of cool stuff. Some stuff's pricey, and my ear hurts again. So I went there, and it was Saturday. I missed the entire townwide yard sale, and they always got cool stuff. I bought a couple things there. I've been stopping by over the years, buying stuff there. And apparently it's getting harder to get antiques because everything nowadays is junk. Basically, I think the world's slowly going to go from antique stores to junk stores. And whoever has antiques might want to hold on to them because they're becoming rare and hard to find. And a lot of people like me and some of the subscribers and other people are the ones that are hoarding all the cool stuff, all the whatever the scraps are left to either be fixed or just beyond repair. Like even some of the stuff I buy, it's just I can't afford a brand new one. And some of the nicer quality antiques out there are just beyond my financial reach. I mean, it's like 10 million tons. I got these for a couple of bucks, and I usually buy things that are a couple of bucks. And a lot of the stuff that's really cool, really old, I probably should have started doing this when I was 5, because all that stuff was probably $5-10 back then. Now it's Some stuff's in the hundreds, $200, $300. I mean, even bench vices are through the roof. But I thought this was cool. So yeah, maybe I'll hang this up here so I can make a, what do you call it, thumbnail. Actually, I should hold both of them. Stay tuned, folks. This will be a good thumbnail. See, ta-da! Like thumbnail. Bah! Anyway, if you like my video, stay tuned. Keep watching, and click some buttons and tell all your friends and family who like gas cans and oil cans. Have a good one, and don't stay up too late. You might see the finger going like this. Bye.